As part of the Azadi ka Amrut Mahotsav, the Raj Bhavan Shillong, in collaboration with the Indian Council for Cultural Relations ICCR Regional Office Shillong, had organized a musical evening on the 20th of September 2021. The chief guest during the occasion was Governor of Meghalaya SATYAPAL MALLICK. Songs by KC Lights of Kiddies Corner School Shillong, dance drama by the GITANJALI Dance Academy Shillong, and patriotic songs by PRIYANKA, CHAUDHURY and team and the Assam Rifles Jazz Band were some of the highlights of the musical evening.
आजादी का सूरज हिंदुस्तान के आसमान में उदित हुआ। 1857 ब्रिटिश औपनिवेशिक सत्ता का एक क्रूर, शातिर और दमनकारी चेहरा ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी।